Hello YouTube. Just got done taking care of some copper motors and I scored 4 for 4. Nothing but beautiful, beautiful copper. That's my favorite part. Of course that blade will eventually die. It'll go in the garbage. All will be lost. But I tried to save it. The dust that is. I don't know if you can see that, but that is a dirty little pile of copper dust. Try to invent something more strategic to hold in all this copper, but yes, sexy, sexy copper. You want it. So now I get to pull these all apart, put them in a vise. Good news is, I know they're all copper. It's kind of warm still. I may have dropped one. Yeah.